Guys, it's bonfire night, and it's just a funny little video of whatnot. Trying to get a view of some fireworks, because obviously I just thought I'd get the camera up and go to the window and try and get you guys some viewing of some fireworks, because it's obviously, it's bonfire night and that. So hopefully we can get some viewings of some. Open the window, hopefully it'll fall out. Sean death video. How did Sean die? He fell out of a window. Alright. Smell. Oh, here we go. I don't know if you can see them, but they're happening through the trees. Oh, this was dreadful, wasn't it? I'd hope there'd be some fireworks. Oh, bloody hell, but I can't see them. Well, happy bonfire night, I guess.